What is business intelligence? Business intelligence, commonly referred to as BI, takes your raw data in real time and turns it into valuable and reliable information. This gives you the ability to make informed business decisions faster. These decisions could be related to identifying ways to increase profit, analyzing market trends, studying customer behavior, tracking performance, optimizing operations, forecasting, or uncovering potential problems and areas of improvement. Business intelligence systems are able to provide you with historical, current, and future data. BI tools use this data to create reports, summaries, dashboards, maps, graphs, and charts. These provide you with detailed insights about your business. Business intelligence gives you the ability to do more with your data without necessarily having technical skills. This creates an easy-to-use platform for data mining, reporting, performance metric and benchmarking, descriptive analytics, querying, statistical analysis, data visualization, and data preparation. Let's see an example. When you want to create a report from your system, what do? You probably fill out a long form to pull the data you want to see. But what happens when you selected the wrong data? Well, you have to go through and pull that report again, which takes even more time. When the report is finally out, you have to physically go through and analyze each element, which adds additional time to this process. BI gets rid of this timely process by showing you all the information you need in a glance. If you want to narrow it down to, let's say, sales, opportunities, and last year's sales, it's just a matter of selecting the fields you desire. Business intelligence is continually evolving according to business needs and technology. As companies become more data-driven, efforts to share data and collaborate increases. So as a summary, business intelligence boosts productivity, improves visibility, and simplifies reporting. So, are you ready for business intelligence? Contact us today to learn more about the options that are available for you. Visit our website at www.bredetservices.com/contact.